They honestly, the public schools did not provide the adequate learning that I felt suitable for my children.
Yalmalit Albertson is a mother of 3 who's filed a petition against the Educational Trust Program. Albertson says the children were getting the best education they could up until the policy changes and the voucher program was deemed unconstitutional.
Emotional downfall, I can say, for myself. And even my daughter was in awe of how can they give you something for education and just take it away like that.
They didn't consider the question of whether barring the scholarship from being used for private school violates the federal constitution.
David Hodges, the attorney representing the families, says the state Supreme Court only considered state law in the initial ruling. The school voucher program provided up to $6,000 a year to qualifying families so it could be used for private school tuition and other expenses. Hodges says this has put many low-income families in a tight spot.
And the position is, do I keep my kids in the school that I know works for them and that I have chosen for them, or do I withdraw them and send them to schools that I know are not as good for them? They might be good for other people, but they're not good for my kid.
The South Carolina Constitution clearly states that is unconstitutional.
Sherry East, president of the SC Teachers Association and figurehead in the initial lawsuit against the Educational Trust Program, says this is an attempt from outsiders to push their agenda in South Carolina.
It has been upheld by our Supreme Court twice that it is unconstitutional. And it's very disheartening or very frustrating or makes me very angry that outside groups decide to come in and interpret our Constitution to meet their goals.
According to both sides of the debate, the fight is far from over. Sherry East tells me after fighting this in the Supreme Court twice, she says let the people vote on whether they want their tax dollars to fund private schools. In Columbia, Misharia Adams, Watch Fox News, Local First.
If you want to stay up to date with this story and much more, subscribe to our Watch Fox YouTube page. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.